In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable and use VR mode in the YouTube app. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you're inside the app, go to the search bar and look for any video you want to watch in VR. Tap on the video to open and start playing it. Now, while the video is playing, look at the top right corner of the video player and tap on the settings icon, gear icon. A menu will appear on your screen. From here, tap on More to see additional options. In the next menu, you will find an option called Watch in VR. Tap on Watch in VR, and then tap on Continue when prompted. After that, the video will switch into VR mode automatically, and you can enjoy the immersive VR experience using your VR headset. And that's it. You've successfully enabled VR mode in YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.